Mel, and thank you very much for being here on my channel. And for those who are new here, I am very grateful for you. And what are we waiting for? Let's see what I am gonna be unboxing. So for this one, I am gonna be unboxing my December 2019 Lookfantastic box. So what are we waiting for? The box is so beautiful. There, isn't it pretty? This is what I love about Lookfantastic. The boxes are really nice. It's sturdy. And what is Lookfantastic? Lookfantastic is a $19 a month subscription wherein you will be receiving 5 to 6 items, I think. Yeah. And I am paying $16 for this one because I subscribed for the whole year. So I didn't watch any video, so this will be my first one to see what's in the box. Okay, let's see what's inside. So when you open it, dun, 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 that's how it looks like. And this is the booklet that tells you what's in the box. And there is our complimentary copy of Elle magazine. Okay. Oh, so who is this? Oh, this is Katie Holmes. Okay, so for this month, December 2019 is, of course, the Christmas edition. And the inside tells you what's in the box and some other things about other products. Okay. And ooh, oh my god, I think I'm gonna like what's in the box. Okay. So, I'm just so excited. I didn't see any spoiler. I didn't see any other unboxing. So this is my very first impression. So there's the beautiful Katie Holmes, and ooh, this is what's inside. There you go. And let's put that aside. And ooh, I love the color of the tissue paper. And let's open this. Dun, 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 dun. I am so excited. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's get this one. The first one that I'm seeing here is, this is from Allure, London. And this is the Texture 117 lashes, and this one is worth £5.06. And I don't use false eyelashes, so this might go to someone else. And it says here, fall in love with this pair of textured strip lashes with a lightweight finish, perfect for day or night, giving you an extra bit of length and thickness. These Allure lashes are ideal for any upcoming Christmas parties. Designed to be reusable, these lashes apply with ease for a fluttery finish. How to use: measure, trim, apply latex glue to band, place on lid. Beautiful. Even the packaging is beautiful. And that's how it looks like at the back. And this one is made in Indonesia. Adhesive is made in Korea. Oh, by the way, I forgot to show you this one. And it says, at Christmas, all roads lead home, which is so true. I love Lookfantastic. So the next one that I'm seeing here is, this is from Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. This is an invisible oil heat, UV protective primer, and this one is worth £5. Okay. This one is made in USA, and this is 1 ounce. Okay. So infused with, where is that? Spray and damp or dry hair, comb through and style. Okay. Here you go. And infused with feather light oils, this invisible oil primer is a lightweight pre-styling mist formulated for dry, coarse, or brittle hair, protecting against breakage, heat, styling, and UV damage. Keep your hair in top condition this winter with this nourishing primer. Pretty nice. Let's try. If there's any, let's try the Oh, there. So it looks like that. It's like a, oh, there is kind of like a scent to it. I smell. Yep, it smells good. Oh, I can definitely use this one. Love this. So the next one that I'm seeing here, this is the one I want to see. Oh, this is tiny. I thought this is gonna be at least bigger one. This is in 20 ml, and this is from Real Chemistry, and this is the Luminous 3-minute peel. There. Okay. What is this thing? Oh, this one is worth £19.88 for this tiny little thing. So get party prepped skin by refining the complexion with Real Chemistry Luminous 3-minute peel, an exfoliating face peel that expertly removes dead skin to reveal a soft and renewed complexion. How to use: spread gel over damp skin, working into the complexion for 2 to 3 minutes. Cleanse, removing the gel with warm water. Okay, that I can use. Okay, definitely, but definitely gonna be using this, but almost like, this is like over $20 for this tiny little thing. Look how small this is. Like that. That's how small this thing is. I don't know. $20, or maybe the full size of this one is the one that's gonna be $20. Over $20. Sorry. What is this card? Oh, this is from about that. This thing. Okay. Yep. Okay. So much for that. Oh, there's another one here. This tiny little creature here. A tiny little creature. What is this? This one is made from, oh, made in USA. And this is the Pray. I don't know if you can see it. It's PRAI. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is from Pray, and this is the Platinum Firm and Lift Cream. It's tiny. Like, tiny. Sorry for that. Tiny. I say tiny. So, this is in 10 ml. Okay. So, what is this thing? Ay, nako. I have a problem with my lighting. Okay. There. So, this is Rediscover Youthful Looking Skin with the Pray Platinum Firm and Lift Cream, a redefining facial moisturizer infused with firming platinum. Rich in antioxidants, this anti-aging moisturizer intensely hydrates skin whilst defending against free radicals. Skin looks smoother, younger, and with a fresher, firmer appearance. How to use: smooth into cleansed toned skin twice daily. Let's see. Oops, it's sealed. I don't want to open it. It's sealed. Okay, the next one here is, so how many now? 4. There's 2 more here that I'm seeing. And what is this tiny little thing? This is from Ico, and this is the Black Magic Liner, and this one is worth £9. Designed for after hours allure, meet our darkest liquid eyeliner yet. Make winged liner effortlessly with a smooth, fluid, single stroke color that lasts all night. That's how it looks like. You're amazing. Okay. Oh, I like the box of this one. It's easy to open. They have a thing in the bottom that you can open it easily. So that's how it looks like. I'm not gonna open it. I have eyeliners opened already, so more than 3 eyeliners open already. Okay, I like this. I'm happy with this. So far, everything I am happy. Even though I don't use false eyelashes, but I'm still happy to get it. It won't go back. Okay, the last but not the least here, which is really nice looking. And this is from Sleek Makeup. There you go. And this is the Eye Divine palette. And this one is worth £8.99. Shade may vary. Okay. This is the Oh So Special. Oh, because they have Oh So Special, All Natural, or Good Night Sweetheart. So this is the Oh So Special. So it's sealed, but we're gonna open it. And this one is made in China. Okay. Oh well, let's open this. Ooh, the packaging is really nice. It's kind of matte. And there you go. It says Sleek Makeup. I really love the packaging. And this is how it looks like at the back. Okay. Okay. Ooh. And ooh. How come there's numbers on this? Why? Oops. Let's cover them. Is there any color thingy here? Oh, the shades are just numbered. There's no name. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. These thing here are numbered. See that? So it says 1, 2, 3 up to 12. So there's a thing here, and these are the shades. The shades are beautiful, and these are the shades that I can really wear. But I'm not gonna swatch yet because they're kind of tiny though, but it's a good size. It's okay for me. So I'm happy with this. I know it's not a very fancy eyeshadow, but it's something that I can use, even though I'm not gonna swatch it yet. Okay. And this is again the Sleek Makeup Eye Divine Mineral Based Eyeshadow Palette, and in the Oh So Special. So how much is everything we got for the box? Again, I paid $16, and it's so everything in the box is £56.93. It's not really that amazing, but it's okay. I like what's in here, but usually They have more amazing products inside, but I really love what they have for this month. Everything. So I'm gonna, this one I can use. This I'm gonna be using. This I'm gonna be using. This moisturizer definitely, and the eyeliner definitely, except for this, which is gonna go to someone else. So I'm very happy with this. At least most of the items I'm definitely gonna be using, and there's nothing in the box anymore. So thank you very much. Please let me know, what do you think of the box? Is it worth paying $19 or $16 if you subscribe for a year? And what do you think of the sizes of the products, the quality of the products? If you know anything about the items here, please let me know. Please leave a comment below, and please don't forget to like, press that thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and include also the notification bell down there so you will know if I have a new video up. Again, thank you very much for watching. I am very grateful, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.